Hey viewers, welcome to the store quiz. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd one numbers, letters, emoji and math quizzes? There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go. So let's start with the easy level. Can you find double zero number within given time? Perfect guess, you did great. Can you spot the odd one letter within 10 seconds? Smart move, you got it right. Only the real observation challengers can spot the hidden number. You have solved it, you are on fire. Now check your brain power, how fast it works. If you got it right, you are very sharp. Hey, look closely, can you find the odd one emoji within given time? Nice work, you nailed it. Be quick and try to find the odd one emoji within time. You are officially on fire. Now it's time to solve the math question. Can you find it the right option? You have passed the challenge. This one is not tricky, you can solve it within time. Nice one, keep winning. Now it's time to beat the clock. You have to find the odd one letters. Hey, if you have done it, now ready for the next one. 2 people have to boost your IQ level and type the right option if you found it. Brilliant, keep this trick alive. This puzzle will track your brain. Now you have to challenge your brain. Incredible, great thinking. Viewer, test your eyes and try to find the odd one letters. You deserve a perfect score. I think the real observation challengers can find the odd one emoji. Tell me honest, did you get the right one? It's time to start the medium level. Can you find the odd one number within time? I think the real observation challenger get on time. Find the number or lose the game. It's time to challenge you. You people are smart than think. This puzzle will trick your brain. Now you have to find the right one. You are officially a quiz champion. Jump on it and find the odd one out within time. Incredible, great thinking. Hey viewer, solve the math question and find the right one option. The number 21 is the right option. You have just 10 seconds to solve this question. Fantastic, you are on fire. 99% people fail to find the odd one emoji. Ready for the next challenge? Hey genius, you have to find this emoji puzzle within time. If you nail it, drop yes in comment. Don't rush, but don't be slow because time is running. Great, you are finding on time. Try to find the odd one emoji, it's not difficult. Farmer, you nailed the puzzle. This would be little bit tricky. Can you find the odd one numbers within time? Boom, that was absolutely correct. You have just 10 seconds to win. Now find the correct one. Sharp eyes, you found it. Hey my viewer, can you find the different one emoji within time? Ready for the next one challenge? Now it's time to start the hard level. Can you find the odd one out within time? Perfect guess, you found it. Can you guess this letter puzzle within time? That was not easy, you get it right. Check your brain power, how fast it works. Good job, now move to the next one. Not everyone can find this number puzzle within time. Perfect guess. I think this is impossible to find this number puzzle. Only the real observation challenger get it. Calculate the math quiz and write your option in comment. The right option is here. Now here is your math quiz challenge. Try to solve it. Perfect guess, you found it. Hey my genius viewer, can you find the odd one emoji? Nice catch, move to the next. Jump on it and find the odd one emoji. Perfect, I appreciate you. It's the hard level emoji puzzle. Can you beat the clock? Fantastic, you are on fire. Spot the difference and try to find the right option. You are officially a quiz champion. You people have just 10 seconds to crack this puzzle. Smart move, you are doing great. Something is hidden here. Can you find the odd one letter? Yeah, you did it. Boost your IQ level and try to find the odd one out within time. Good job, you did. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Pick up a challenge for the next video.